Hello, folks. I've been watching a lot of these videos. People saying making stuff that they have at home, pantry stuff, and all this crap. Saying, hey, you got what you need to survive at home. Just make what you need for your food. I'm like, shit, I've known that for years. That's all I've been doing. But anyhow, I was watching a review video from a friend of mine, which happened to be a species other than human, Bob the Raptor. He reviewed Papa John's jalapeno roll-ups. They're basically cream cheese with jalapenos in it and some bread rolled up. I'm like, I think I got everything I need at home to make that. So that's what I'm going to do. But the thing is, after I was looking, I didn't have everything what I think it takes to make this. Because after looking at the picture, I noticed a couple things here. It looks like, to me, wraps are made out of wheat flour. I don't have wheat flour. So I'm going to have to do something to figure out that. What I'm going to do. Also, I was wondering, by looking at it, they must make those from frozen. Ain't no way that you're going to have some pimply-faced geek dude standing there at the make line making these things. Nah, I don't believe it. Ain't no way. Nothing bad about pimply-faced geek dudes. Don't get mad at me because I said pimply-faced geek dudes. Say that 5 times. Pimply-faced geek dudes. It's just, I don't see how they could have any consistency with these things. So I'm damn near sure that those things are shipped to them frozen, and the pimply-faced, I say it again, the pimply-faced geek dude just throws it in a pan, runs it through the conveyor belt oven, and ships it. Because it's got to be frozen. Because pimply-faced, God damn, I can't say that. Pimply-faced geek dude can't handle that kind of stress. I'm sorry. Put a goddamn terabyte computer in front of him and he... Put yourself some dough and some cream cheese and some jalapenos. He's like, Mommy! No. Mm-mm. So anyhow, I'm going to try and make some. They're going to be a little different, I guarantee you. But I bet you they're probably better. Alright, let's make our dough. I'm not making very many of these, so it's going to be a small batch. 1 cup flour. Roughly. Half a teaspoon yeast. 1 teaspoon sugar. Half a teaspoon salt. 1/3 cup of water. Some oil. Actually, a good amount of oil. Now, here's the thing. I don't have wheat flour. I know that's what they're using. I could have used brown sugar to kind of mimic the brownness of their flour, but I figure, what the fun is that? Ain't no frickin' fun. So I'm going to make these things extra hot. I'm going to call this El Yucateco Triple X Bread. Let's pour some of this in there. I guarantee this will change the color. Oh, baby. Ooh, it came out quick. I'm going to spin this up. Here we go. Alright, let's get that dough out of there. Got my dough made. Pretty soft. I'm going to let it sit anyways. Any gluten that may have developed, I want to let it loosen. Shouldn't be too much in there. I use low gluten all-purpose flour. So, but I got some other things to do. Got to do this, and we'll let that rest. Good dough. I got about half a stick of cream cheese I had left over. I kind of roughly chopped up a jalapeno, and I'm going to mix that together. I'm just going to put, just for the kicks of it, just a little bit of garlic powder mixed in with it. Not a whole bunch. Just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to mix that together. It's going to be a cluster, so I'm not going to film it. I'll show you the end product when I get it done. This is just going to be too rough to film. It's going to get messy! I got my cream cheese with my jalapenos in it. Just a little bit of garlic powder. Always a pleasure to work with cream cheese. It sucks ass. Gets all over the frickin' place. Sticks to everything. Bad. Alright. Got my dough. But that's a lot of dough. There's no way I'm going to use all that. I'm going to cut it in half. Just do a quick cutsy. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with this. I'll figure something out to do with it. Dough ball right there. Oh, by the way, I took jalapeno seeds and I put in the dough. There we go. It's awful pliable. It's nice. I'm going to flatten that out. Give her a quick roll. I might have to put a little flour on that. There we go. That should do it right there. Alright. Let's get our cream cheese sauce in there. I might have to make 2 of these rolls. I got plenty of cream cheese too. Let's see if we can roll this mother. Okay, now we're going to cut them, and then we're going to freeze these things. I'm going to make 1 more of these, but I'm just going to cut them. Couldn't really tell how big they were. There we go. So I'm going to make 1 more just like that, and then I'm going to put them in the freezer. Now we're going to put them in the electric ice box, let them freeze up real good before we cook them. What that's going to do is it's going to allow this bread to brown before this cream cheese starts getting too melty. At least, that's the plan. Yeah. Okay, they were in the ice box for probably about 45 minutes. Couldn't wait no hour. I got tired of waiting. So they're in the Breville. 400 degrees, roughly 20 minutes. See what happens. Melted the shit out of my fucking rolling mat. Oh well, this section up here is still good. But here we go. Take a taste of one of these things. See what we got. I don't know what to compare them to. I've never had the others, but here we go. See what we got. Plenty done. That's for sure. They're hot. Pretty good. Not bad. Ooh. Hot mother. Now if I was Papa John's, I'll probably do this. Melt down some butter, put some garlic, some Parmesan on top of these, slather them up real good. I have to have Bob leave a comment. Bob the Raptor. Are these what they look like? I don't know. Yeah, I'm glad I put the garlic in that. Glad I did. I'm definitely looking for some butter, some garlic, and Parmesan on the outside of this. All right. Other than burning the shit out of my rolling mat, I'd say this is a success. Got some left over for tomorrow or whatever. Just throw them in the nuker. Probably be just fine. Give me a little piece of that there. That jizz sauce is good in there. Yep. Alright, that's it. Papa John's jalapeno rolls, as reviewed by Bob the Raptor. If Bob jumps in there and lets me know if they look close to him or not. I don't know. I'm sure he can tell me. Because I've never had them. Alright. Thanks for watching, people. Once again, I want to say I didn't mean no offense to the pimply, geek-faced teenagers out there. You're good at what you do. Get behind that computer, hit them buttons, and you're the master. But you have troubles when you start getting out in the real world. And Mama ain't going to be there every day to help you. That's when you got to look at your boss and say, Boss, I don't have a fucking clue what I'm doing. Can you help me? And the boss is going to turn around. He's going to have 4 eyes himself and say, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing either. Alright, I'm out. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you watching.